at our Smilife Dental and Implant Care, Suchitra Circle, Hyderabad. Here at our clinic, we provide all the dental procedures, starting from the basic dental procedures like scaling, tooth extractions, uh, complicated wisdom teeth extraction, co- composite restorations, veneers, orthodontic treatment like braces, Invisalign treatment, dental implants, root canal treatment, and dental crowns. So, whoever is looking for a better dental treatment, please visit us at Smiler Dental and Implant Care, Chitra Circle.